Hi, welcome to Wax Steel Wednesday. Today we're going to be talking about marbleizing wax. That's the intro. So what you're going to need is some wax, your spoon, flame. You can just use your wax ends, or you can cut up little bits of wax and then you just put it in your spoon like so. And then take my spoon and hold it over the flame and just let it melt for a little while. Pour my wax onto my paper. And other ways you can do marbling is with 2 different sticks of wick wax and light them at the same time and hold them over. Or you can just stagger your sticks into a glue gun, and as you finish a stick and start a new one, the colors will start to mix together and make a cool marbleizing effect. And there you go. And we'll just add a little of our gilding pad, and there's your seal. Thanks for watching, and like and subscribe.